phone and technology action words. Tap to touch the screen once.
Tap the app to open it.
Swipe to move your finger across the screen.
Swipe left to see more photos.
Scroll to move up or down on the screen.
Scroll down to read the article.
Click to press a button or link.
Click the link to continue.
Press to push a button.
Press the power button to turn on the phone.
Type to enter text using a keyboard.
Type your password carefully.
Search to look for information.
Search for the nearest restaurant.
Download to copy a file from the internet to your device.
Download the app for free.
Upload to send a file from your device to the internet.
Upload your photo to social media.
Install to add software to a device.
Install the latest version of the app.
Uninstall to remove software from a device.
Uninstall apps you don't use.
Update to install the newest version.
Update your phone regularly.
Delete to remove something permanently.
Delete the old messages.
Copy to make a duplicate.
Copy the text into your notes.
Paste to insert copied text or files.
Paste the link into the chat.
Save to store information.
Save your work before closing the app.
Share to send something to others.
Share the video with your friends.
Send to transmit a message or file.
Send me the document by email.
Receive to get a message or file.
I received your message.
Connect to join a device or network.
Connect your phone to Wi-Fi.
Disconnect to separate from a device or network.
Disconnect the charger after charging.
Charge to fill the battery with power.
Charge your phone overnight.
Plug in to connect the cable to a device.
Plug in the charger.
Unplug to remove a cable from a device.
Unplug the charger when finished.
Unlock to open a locked device.
Unlock your phone with your fingerprint.
Lock to secure the device.
Lock your phone before putting it away.
Zoom to make something appear larger or smaller.
Zoom in on the photo.
Record. To capture audio or video.
Record a short video.
Screenshot. To capture an image of the screen.
Take a screenshot of the message.
Restart. To turn the device off and on again.
Restart your phone if it freezes.